Hello, Amen from Blue Byte Systems with another awesome video about the revision sync add-in. Today I'm going to showcase how you can actually prevent your parts or assemblies and their drawings from transitioning from one workflow state to the next if they do not have the same revision. Alrighty, here in my vault I do have revision sync add-in installed. All I need to do to start is to make sure that we set up the workflow transitions that we want to watch. So right click on the add-in and then go to workflow transitions, and this is going to pop up a window where we can specify which workflow we want to watch and the transitions that are going to be the ones for the add-in to sort of monitor and make sure that no file gets transitioned or no assembly or part gets transitioned with a revision mismatch. Takes here a second to bring all that information. We've got two lists here that we can choose from. Obviously I can choose the engineering workflow, and then I'm provided a list of transitions that I can choose from. So I can choose, for example, InDesign, approved for release, whatever transitions that I'd like to watch. I already have something here, which is the submit for approval. I can click on add, and that adds it to the list of affected transitions. Only then I can click save, and that information will be saved into my vault. All right, so we're going to watch for the submit for approval transition. So let me close out of there and then go back here to my file explorer. I'm going to click on this fidget spinner assembly just to inspect the local revision, which is at E, and then I'm going to do the same thing for the drawing. When I do that, I see that my drawing is actually at C, so there is a revision mismatch here. Let's right click on the fidget spinner assembly, and then let's go to change state, right? And let's submit this for approval. I'm only concerned here with the assembly itself and the drawing. If I were to select a bunch of other files as well to transition, then that verification of part or assembly and their drawing will happen on each element that's transitioned. So in our case here, the file that will be verified for revision mismatch, it will be the fidget spinner assembly. So I'm just going to click on change state, and see, we have a little pop-up here that says, hey, this transition will be canceled. And why is that? The fidget spinner assembly and the drawing actually do not have the same revision, and we just saw that when we inspected the version tab. So if I click on OK, this will cancel that transition and make sure that, or gives us a chance actually to make sure that our revisions can be synced. It's really easy to do that. We just right click on the fidget spinner assembly and then we sync revision, and it will sync that revision between the assembly and then the drawing, and after that we can simply push those two files through onto the next workflow state. Thank you for watching this video. If you need more information or a demo about the revision sync add-in, feel free to reach out to me over on LinkedIn, or go to our website at www.bluebyte.biz. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next one.